Hi everyone, in this video we're going to practice skip counting forwards by 4's. So let's start counting forwards on the hundreds chart using repeated addition. So if we use a repeated addition, we're going to start at 4 and add 4 to it. So you go 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then highlight the number that we stop on. Once again, we can add 4 to 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, using repeated addition. That takes us to 12. So let's go through that with the whole hundreds chart, or with the up to 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, highlight. 1, 2, 3, 4, highlight. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, we got all of the numbers that we will say when we skip count by 4's. Now let's say it all together. So we can start at 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Now we are going to use the first two rows of the hundreds chart to skip count by 4's, or skip count by 2's, and see if we can find any connections. So I'm going to highlight with a different color pen and highlight all of my 2's. So we'll skip count by 2's starting at 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Now you might start to notice a pattern. Every number that is counted by 4 is also skip counted when we skip count by 2's. We can use that to help us skip count, just like when we were skip counting by 2's first started. We can use that same strategy to skip count by 4's. So if we want to use the same skip counting strategies, we skip one number and then count the next. Oops, I want to use this. So skipping 2, we would count 4. Skipping 6, we count 8. Skipping 10, we count 12. 12, skip 14, count 16. Skip 18, count 20. Skip 22, count 24. Skip 26, count 28. Skip 30 and count 32. Now that would give us 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. So we can use skip counting by 2's to help us figure out the numbers that we'd say when we skip count by 4's. Just like when we skip count by 2's as well, a pattern is formed when we skip count by 4's. If we look at the in the ones spot, we can figure out what that pattern is. So I'm going to highlight every ones and see if you can figure it out. 4, 8, 12, 6, 20. And so that is our pattern, and I'm going to highlight it using a new pen. 24, 26, 28, 32, 36, 40. Not highlighting 26. So the pattern that's created in our ones spot is 4, 8, 2, 6, 0. And then it repeats. 4, 8, 2, 6, 0. Now we're going to practice counting by 4's using repeated addition, or complete these repeated addition questions by counting by 4's. So if we wanted to use repeated addition, we go 4 plus 4 gives me 8. 8 plus 4 gives me 12. 12 plus 4 gives me 16. 16 plus 4 gives me 20. And 20 plus 4 gives me 24. My answer is then 24. Now you can pause this video and complete the rest of these two questions using this hundreds chart.